Welcome to this tutorial on using Rocket Money subscription management. Rocket Money is a powerful tool designed to help you track and manage your subscriptions, ensuring you stay on top of your finances. In this guide, we will walk you through when to use Rocket Money subscription management, providing you with key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, let's start with the basics. Rocket Money allows you to link your bank accounts and credit cards to track your subscriptions. This includes everything from streaming services and software to gym memberships and magazine subscriptions. By using Rocket Money, you can easily see all your subscriptions in one place, making it simpler to manage your finances. So, when should you use Rocket Money subscription management? The answer is simple. Use it whenever you want to take control of your subscriptions and stay on top of your spending. This is particularly useful if you have multiple subscriptions and struggle to keep track of them. With Rocket Money, you can cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate bills, and even get refunds for mistaken charges. A key concept to understand is how Rocket Money categorizes your subscriptions. The platform divides your subscriptions into categories, such as entertainment, software, and memberships. This makes it easy to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. For example, if you notice you're spending a lot on entertainment subscriptions, you may decide to cancel some of them to save money. Another important feature of Rocket Money is its ability to detect and cancel unwanted subscriptions. The platform uses advanced algorithms to identify subscriptions you may not be using, allowing you to cancel them with just a few clicks. This can help you save money and reduce clutter in your financial life. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to review your subscriptions regularly to ensure you're not overspending. You should also take advantage of Rocket Money's negotiation feature, which can help you lower your bills and save even more money. Additionally, be sure to keep your account information up to date, as this will ensure you receive accurate and timely updates on your subscriptions. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it's essential to link all your bank accounts and credit cards to the platform. This will give you a complete picture of your subscriptions and allow you to manage them effectively. You should also take advantage of the platform's alerts and notifications, which will inform you of any changes to your subscriptions or potential savings opportunities. In conclusion, Rocket Money subscription management is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your subscriptions and stay on top of your finances. By using Rocket Money, you can cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate bills, and save money. Remember to review your subscriptions regularly, keep your account information up to date, and take advantage of the platform's features to get the most out of Rocket Money. With this guide, you're now equipped to start using Rocket Money and start managing your subscriptions like a pro.